let's move on and let's also get you the Chartbuster ideas from our expert then. And let's go across to Kunal Bothra to help us understand what is he looking at right now. Over to you, Kunal.
So it's from one of the PSU names, the defense stock, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics, and how the stock over the last 2-3 weeks has been going through a correction. But then in this phase of correction, there's something which is different, which is happening to the indicator front. So this is the RSI for the stock, and this is the stock price chart over the last 1 to 2 months. Now, interestingly, we've seen the stock making a pattern of new lows. So as you can see, successively the stock in the last 1 month or so has made 3 consecutive lows. But on these 3 occasions, the RSI for the stock has been on the higher note. This is what we call it as a classical sign of a bullish RSI divergence, where the price keeps on making new low, swing low for itself on the short-term time scale, and then the RSI continues to make a higher low for itself. This is a sign that the stock is forming a near-term bottom for itself. Now, the other confirmation for that is the jump in volumes. As you can see, look at the increase in volumes for HAL over the last 1 to 2 weeks when the stock has been forming a bottom. That means that there is a strong indication that a more of delivery-based buying has happened into the stock, and we could be looking at not just a revival or a bounce back into the stock, but a potential retest as well as a breakout of this 4,200 mark, which should be a decent upside of 20% over the very short term.
Right, that's interesting to note that HAL, one of the beaten down names of while, is on Kunal's radar, and what we are getting to see, there's been a lot of chatter around the disappointment in terms of the capex, and that has been announced in the budget gone by. But on the technical front, Kunal is liking HAL, and he also shared his rationale. But other than HAL, Kunal, what is the other stock that you are looking at right now?
So I'll bet on 2 large cap names. The first stock which I would recommend is Reliance Industries with a near-term target of 1300. The stock forming a base at this 1200 zone. So 1300 as a potential target, stop us at 1240. And SBI is the other stock which I believe could be heading towards a breakout. The stock has been a big underperformer from the PSU banking lot in the last 3-4 months. But I believe that the stock can make a very strong comeback. So 800 as a near-term target, stop us at 750.
Right, okay. Let's move on and